Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this easy and delicious ranch chicken tender using the air fryer. This is so juicy and super delicious and easy to make. I hope you're going to like this video and please share it. And for our ingredients, what I have here is a plain panko and a plain breadcrumbs. I'm going to season this with onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Just mix this together until well combined. And then I'm going to add this garlic roasted chicken seasoning from McCormick. And again, mix this together until they're combined. On the second bowl, I'm just gonna add the ranch dressing, any type of ranch dressing. It doesn't have to be this brand. This will help tenderize the chicken. So all we had to do is dump all of those chicken tender meat into a bowl. Let that soak. Make sure that all of them are well covered. If you have time, set this in the fridge for 15 minutes before cooking them. So we're just gonna get one of those chicken tender meat and make sure to cover it with the crumbs, the breadcrumb seasoning, just like what I'm doing right here. And simply place that in the air fryer basket. Make sure both sides of the tenders are well covered. So whatever extra you have left, go ahead and put that back in the fridge. I'm going to air fry this using this dual air fryer. There is a chicken preset button, and I'm gonna set this for 10 minutes on 390 degrees. And then after that, I'm going to remove this from the fryer and flip this on the other side. Now, even though there's dual burner, I always like to flip this on the side to make sure both of the sides are cooked. Place this back in the air fryer. And what I do is I cook this 400 degrees for 8 minutes to make that extra crispy on the side. And after 8 minutes, that chicken tender is done. This is so delicious and super easy to make. As you can see, I only use few simple ingredients. This is so tender as well. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Look at that. So juicy and super delicious. Trust me, your kids are going to love this. I hope you like this video. Again, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you next time. Ciao!